Hi everyone and welcome back to today's More Report on Friday the 12th of February with me, Rich Perry Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at Dollar Yen, this all-important chart that the market has been looking at for the past 2 weeks. 1,000 ticks of high to low. Incredible sell-off. According to Bloomberg, biggest sell-off in 2 weeks since 1998. I do believe. So yeah, it's a huge run lower. Now, is this going to be finding a bottom now? We've seen a bit of a turnaround in sentiment on the oil price, and the dollar yen chart has sort of turned around slightly near term. These indicators are obviously looking stretched. 24 on the RSI. It's got back to 20 in the January sell-off. Stochastics also beginning to bottom. I've stuck a fib in just in case. Um, it's not. So 121.68. Let's just get that a little bit more accurate. Sorry, that's my fault. So let's. It doesn't go exact to it. 69. That'll do. So right. You can see 1350 is your initial resistance. Interesting that 1350 was basically yesterday's high, rebound high, and that was a rebound high after the low. And now that low came in pretty much around 11 figure, 111 figure, and held. A couple of hours that sort of held that level and then bounced. And we're now seeing a bit of an unwinding of these moves. There's nothing really excessive that would suggest that this is a serious rally yet, because all these momentum indicators remain fairly negatively configured on the hourly. But I reckon if you saw a move above 13.15, I'd say that that would be possibly a bit of a recovery, in place, because that was the reaction high. That, I mean, look at, if you actually take that hour, that single hour candle, 200 ticks of turnaround from low to high, incredible. It's now consolidating this move. So it hasn't actually yet done anything of a recovery, and I think you need to see probably a move above that 113.15 area, and then probably a move above the 23.6% fib as well. But you can see that this move has been so enormous that there is a significant amount to unwind. So if you do start to see a technical rally, I think it's going to be pretty big, and you need to get on board with that, or at least be very careful with running any short positions that you may have. At the moment, as I said, this is not really doing anything in terms of rally. You've got pretty much a doji candle that's formed today. Yesterday's candle was bearish, although it did sort of close around the midpoint of the day. Still, it was you're not really showing any real signs of recovery yet. But it'll be interesting to see if you do start to see a move above 113.15. I think that could be beginning to be a bit of a turnaround. But at the moment, we're still not really seeing that yet. But we'll wait and see. I think this improvement in sentiment, if this improvement in sentiment continues and oil price continues to rally, then we could see this turnaround in sentiment. But at the moment, on yen, at the moment, nothing really doing yet. But certainly one to keep a very close eye on. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.